irresponsible person you are.
You are not doing that. 6 times he has spoken. 2 times he has spoken. He has spoken only one.
Even we, three of us, were saying that we don't want to speak. So does it mean that the member, like Muskan and Pratham, they both are not even good speaker?
That's the mindset of a loser.
When I am there, I focus more on listening more than speaking. And this is the part of me.
How do you react when it comes upon your self-respect? Everybody has got their self-respect very much important, and so do we. So guys, today we are going to have an allegation session where these members are going to allegate each other on the basis of their behavior, their actions, their performances, and their overall interaction with one another here. So there is this batch titans and ringleaders I am standing among. So let's see which team actually wins it upon the allegations. So are you guys ready?
Yes!
So you both are actually on the hot seat right now. You are the limelight among all the people. And guys, there is just one suggestion to you all. Don't be soft. The first allegation comes from Kapish. Please, Kapish.
So the batch we are sitting in right now is the most reputed batch of our English Academy. And as we are in this batch, we need members who are actually strong, who are actually good at spoken English, who are actually knowledgeable, and who initiate. But right there, Deepika Didi doesn't initiate at all. Even when it was competitions, one of the rounds going on, so she was there and Pratham Bhaiya was there, and both of them hesitated. But at the end, Pratham Bhaiya stood up and he started speaking. That shows that you have not acknowledged your mistakes till now. You may have came here on the stage and acknowledged, yes, I do it, I accept it all. But at the end, you didn't work upon that. You didn't even try at all. So that doesn't mean anything unless you are trying. So even your acknowledgements of your previous allegations don't mean anything.
So like if level. Okay. On the hand about the performances. So I would say that I cannot bring change overnight, as I said, and I have been improving. About performance and initiation, at that time, both members were not even initiating and I was the one. It was about logic and emotions, and it is normal that I was confused that what should I speak if I have spoken at that point of time. So it might like we might lose the point, and I didn't wanted that. So I said that I don't want to speak because I'm not clear with my thoughts, and it is maybe the good thing, because if I'm not sure about my thought, then I should not speak. Why to lose point? And that's what I did.
I was not allegating Muskan Devi or Pratham Bhaiya, I was allegating you. So don't take their cover because they are just your teammates. I'm the one allegating you and it's your life. Second of all, you may have started recording, but are there any results? And when recording, is recording the only thing that is going to change you? Of course not. Performing in the classes, initiating in the classes is the least you can do. That is why you need to at least initiate in the class. That is not visible. Your initiation is not visible at all. And the fact that I had to ask your name shows your presence in the class. I was not even kidding. I forget your names a lot of times. I forget the names of people of leaders. Second thing, you have been coming in this batch due to timing issues. For how much time?
Maybe more than 3 months.
More than 3 months. More than 3 months is a very, you can say, a very large period of time to at least adapt to these people. You have to, you at least get used to these people, not performing on their level, but at least trying to perform on their level. Even I have faced the situation of performing in batch I'm not even capable of. But soon I started performing on their level. I at least tried. You are not trying. Trying is the most important.
Listen, if you are talking about my situation, so let me tell you, I know I am trying. Like you cannot say basis on the performances. After that acknowledgement, I started initiating, and you can see in the performance, I was not able to speak like that, and I am speaking. So isn't that the result?
I would like to add few more points here. Like as Kapish has mentioned that Deepika is not working upon herself. I believe that I haven't joined this batch for so long. You know that I have recently joined you all again. But the thing is that I have seen her working upon herself, because earlier earlier she was not the way she speaks right now. And if I talk about you, Kapish, you are not same. The way you are sitting right now, the confidence you have gained, same happened with you. You have taken a lot of years to work upon yourself, the way you speak, the way you talk to others, and still you face difficulties that how can I start communication with other members too.
I know that you cannot understand sessions, whether it's vocabulary or allegation, because it's your team, it's not the allegation of Kapish team. Okay, now I want to allegate Deepika. See, it's always visible that you are trying, whether it's in recording or anything, but the sole thing is this, that if I ask you that in the 5 or 6 days of competition, of even this competition, what was your contribution in the team? Forget the contribution of of yours in the batch, but what's your contribution even in the team? Even when you spoke at the time of philosophy session, you spoke when team was not even required of point. They were just thinking that now we are behind. They already had 2 points, so we can afford to lose point. Okay, whether it's vocabulary, you were not even repeating the letters. So what was your contribution in the all the competition? Forget the batch. What's your contribution in your team?
Like, if I will say, will you believe? Whatever I have been saying, they're saying that you're not doing. So what if I say and you don't believe?
Because you haven't been the part of our team now. So if we say something, that if we have planned something, we discussed something, so will you believe it? We didn't ask that what were you
I
doing
think that
in
we
your
are
team.
sitting here for answers and to question you rather than believing you whatever you are saying.
Yesterday it was a session, it was not any kind of competition. So yesterday I just observed one thing of you, that we all were having fun or kind of a random discussion. Sometimes that was a time I used to focus that you are also present in the class.
Yesterday.
Yes, this was the thing. That kind of thought came in my mind. So rather than like having talking about this kind of improvement or teamwork, I want to allegate you on your presence, that yesterday it was not there at the time of activity random discussion. So that kind of thing you should change.
Okay, I think that is somewhere allegation, but the thing is that I don't accept it, because at that point of time I was not aware about such things. When it was about the movie, I spoke which I knew, right? And when it was about some places and all, the food and all, so whichever thing I knew, I spoke about it. It's not like that if I don't know anything, why would I interrupt in between? Many people were sharing their experiences. Geeta Bhabhi was there, she was sharing her experience of Gujarat. Many people were sharing everything what they knew. Kunal, Anudi. Then if I was not aware about such things, I was not aware about that Bihari Muslims are there, Bengali Muslims are there, I was not aware about the Gujarat place. When discussions were going on, I just believe that I am a good listener, and I believe that when I am there, I focus more on listening more than speaking. And this is the part of me that I know that I have to change, but I will believe that being a good speaker, more than that, you have to be a good listener. So if I'm listening that point of time, maybe I'm adding something into my mind which can help me later.
Okay, Muskan, as you are claiming that you are a very good listener, so why in vocabulary session you were repeating the letters again and again? Even not only you, but your whole team was repeating the letters which is already said by your team. So which kind of a good listener is it?
I would agree with that, because that day it was something different. Just before the class, I had some different experiences in my own class, which batch I was taking, and there were some things about some of my students which was going on in my mind, and thereafter few days back I was not even well. So those were the reasons, because I had many things in my mind, and I know that should not be the excuses, but the thing is, there were things that my focus was actually not there, because I was a bit nervous too, that I have joined you all after a bit gap. So it was giving me a bit nervousness that will I be able to cope up whatever I have lost with like in past few days. So I was just having those thoughts even when I was performing there, when I just came from outside. So I was like, how will I perform? When Didi called me and Didi said that you have to perform, so I was a bit nervous that what will I speak about friendship, because even if the friendship topic is very familiar, and still I just came, and when I was speaking about it, I was getting fumble. I knew that my body was shivering, I was getting hot, because that was a kind of nervousness I was having that point of time. And it might have happened with anybody, because if you are not continuously coming to the classes and you take a bit gap. So I have experienced this many times, and maybe it's not like that. If I'm speaking right now and there might be times where I will be stuck, but there might be times where I'll be speaking very fluently. Now that is something that by the time I'll be overcoming it. So I think that I need some time, and I'll prove you that there is something I'll change.
Like you have saved our time, but just because of one line. Also, you have saved from yourself, and you have saved your team while not performing. Okay, but I would like to shift to Muskan, as you have shifted the attention of people. Okay, so Muskan, so this is the allegation, not about this session, not about this competition, but the allegation of your whole journey in academy. So when Dee said in the starting of the allegation that don't be soft, okay, do you think that anybody would not be soft with you because of your nature, the way you take things on heart, or the way we feel those things, or we get the result of those things after the session? Okay, so like seeing history of our bond or even our batch, do you think that anybody would be soft with you? That's why we started allegation with Deepika rather than you.
Okay, let me say something. So that was not so harsh, even I believe so. Because the thing is that if you cannot be soft with me, that's fine. I don't demand now. And I don't want somebody to be soft with me. Whatever you are, I have experienced that. You don't have to be fake, because I have seen people being fake in the starting, and whatever you have shown me in the starting, that was different. By the time you change, and that shows that there is the dual personality that you carry. And this is like, I don't carry that personality. It's for me, it's like that if I am speaking soft, this is how whatever I am thinking, I am speaking that. For me, it's not like that I think something negative about you and then I'm being very positive that, oh wow, you are so good, you speak very well. I'm not that kind of person. For me, it's like that there is something suggestion for you, I'll say to you directly.
Okay, Muskan, you are just talking about the true personality and many other things. I just want to suggest you something that you must know about the communication skill, because the first day of our competition only we just talk, but the thing is that you are the one who's just talking. I didn't even get the chance to share my views over it, because you are just taking a lot of time to explain your stuff. It's even I want to listen, but not for the whole session, whole conversation. And another thing, you said that you were a good listener. I guess that you have to implement the thing at that time even. So even I can share my stuff as well. And you're talking about the dual personality and you're just targeting others. I guess that's what you carry, because earlier you were so, whatever you just felt that even it's negative and positive, but you stayed with you, and later on when it's time, when people are alligating each other, then at that time you use that stuff as a weapon to target or just to ruin someone's image at that point of time. So I guess if you have that nature that, okay, I want to be so kind and I want to be your true friend, then you have to, whatever the negative point, you have to share at that time so that person can correct his or her personality, not like later on as a weapon.
Oh, thank you so much, Pari, for such a lecture. But the thing is that point of time, you were the only one who was asking questions again and again. I was not interested in sharing such things. And even I shared. Maybe that was my fault that I was not listening to you. But I felt like that if you are listening, like I accept that if somebody asks something to me, I feel very excited, that I feel like talking, I feel like enjoying the conversation. So I was enjoying that time. There was nothing like that in my mind. I should have listened to you as well. But the thing is that I was not getting that thought in my mind, and that can be my loophole. But that is something, you cannot say that this is how my personality is. You cannot say that all the time when I speak, I just kept on speaking, right? I think so, because it is not like you are saying, and I will definitely not accept that point, because this is not something I believe. I believe what 90 to 95% people says to me, and not what 5 or 1% people say to me. So that is the majority but believe, because more people around me, what they say to me, what they think about me, that is something. And if 100% of people think negative about me, I don't even care about that, because for me, myself is important. And I have learned this coming to this place, because in your life, if you don't love yourself, I think nobody can love you. And if you hate yourself, you will hate others. So if I love myself, I love everybody. Even though you are putting allegations, you might be having that Muskan will think something negative about you. There's something I carry, because earlier I have experienced this, and earlier it used to happen. I agree. You guys are smiling. You know that earlier I used to carry that mind that they are Muskan will react like this. She will make face. Now that was something different. Now I have changed because this is something, because I have got the real people. I have got the genuine people who are actually appreciating me, who are actually making me feel that I am loved.
That's such a comeback. To be honest, that's such a comeback. So Muskan came somewhere, I guess, 10 days before, but today is the day when she has actually returned in the class today. That's nice. But Deepika, allegation remains the allegation only at the final day as well of the competition. All right, thank you so much, both of you. It was quite interesting, to be honest. They were very harsh. They were truly very harsh allegations, but she tackled it so beautifully, so beautifully. Hats off to you, girl.